What do you see when you walk out the street, down the street, down the street, down the street? What do you see when you walk down the street, down the street, down the street, down the street? What do you see when you walk in your yard, in your yard, in your yard, in your yard? What do you see when you go across the street, across the street, across the street, across the street? What do you see when you look in the pond, in the pond, in the pond, in the pond? What do you see when you look at the RV, at the RV, at the RV, at the RV? What do you see? I see a bunch of birds looking at me. Hail Mary, Buck City, Duck City.
Quack quackers, quack quackers. We got quackers on the clackers, the quackers on the snackers.
Singing. You keep barking, I keep singing. We'll start together. Ready? Oh, it's a bird. Bird drummer. They don't like when the birds fight. They get upset. They get upset when the birds get fighting. That's another 18 minutes. What's the plan, man? What's the plan, man? You got a million, what's the plan, man? What's the plan, man? What's the damn plan, man? You got a million ducks on truck, got some ducks on clutch, got some chickens on work. What the hell's going on? You got a farm, man. Got a bunch of farm animals, man. What the hell's the plan, man? I'm just kind of winging it, no pun intended. Get it? I'm just winging it, man. You're funny, guy. Funny looking. What's the plan, Jam? What's the man, Ham? What's the damn plan? What's the damn plan? Don't smile at me when you're looking at the teeth from behind your head. When your plan is to hurt me, your plan is to hurt yourself.
Just do yourself.
Turkey crime. It's a turkey crime, a turkey shame.
And don't tell me the name of the turkey game that you play every day. Gobble gobble. I know what's going on when no one's at home and I'm all alone.
I know what's going on when I'm lost at home, 'cause you left me alone. Oh no, what's going on when I lost my mind and I lost the time, 'cause the world went blind. What's going on when the world smelled bad, when I was drowning the most?
It was all a ghost. My
life was a dream of a drunk man singing a song by the shores. My life was a dream of a young man taking pictures by the seashore. My life was a fisherman without any string or hook or fish or sea. I was all alone without a place to go or call my own. I think I'm losing my mind. I think my time is gone.
My manuscription is restriction of myself is gone.
I cannot sing a song.
My rhymes, they make no throne.
They sit around and people make fun of the way that I talk and the way that I walk. But I don't give a bong.
Or even a dong. We can all go along.
and bounce on a frog. Really, never trust him. I'll be your Kermit the Frog.
I'll be your Kermit. You trouble.
I'll be your Ribbit the Ribbiter. The
Riveter. The riveter. The riveter. What does the riveter going on over here?
Move it.
I wanna be mean, but I will be honest. You're a funky, funky frog.
Left drunk and no disregard. What will we do without a clue? Without a song get told?
Sit on a frog. Sit on a log. Twiddle your thumbs. Twiddle your...
Now you're about to make me upset now, you heard? I ain't a leader you should follow. Okay? Do what I don't do.
Say exactly opposite of what I say. You'll be alright.
Pimp C cowboy, 'cause I'm a Pimp C plowboy. Working my way through the field every day. I'm just a BC plowboy. Smoking dope, be smoking on a cigarette. Just a PC plowboy. I'm just a BC plowboy, cowboy. What the buck's going down round here. I think it's going round here. I think it went down round here. Did you see that freaking clown around here? You got the mark of death.
Double mustache is a death sentence. A double mustache can't breathe with another double mustache. That make double death. Ain't that crazy? Too cool of a mustache will kill you if you're a bird.
Sorry about that, Broham. I guess your genes just don't care about style. Ain't that right, you speckle? Hey! Don't be a heck of tackling. Hey! Hey! I'm the rooster around here. Go to your room. I'm be your Huckleberry Frenchy Terry Fairy Dog Man.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I sure the hell don't.
And that's not an abbreviation. That's a fact. Look at that no-tail leg bar. That's a no-tail leg bar. time to channel up, channel up. Good night, y'all. I'm finna take a shower and call it quits. Let these guys rest for a little bit and then I come and put them to bed. Hey, y'all ain't sleeping there, go to the house. Go sleep in the house. Now why y'all wanna sleep outside? Go sleep in the damn house, you crazy turkey heads. That's just more animals I gotta put up. See, instead of trying to force them to bed, I'm gonna go relax. And then around 9 o'clock, I come out here and... What are y'all doing? You make sure you keep an eye on them, guys. About 9:30, I come in here and shut them all in. Make sure I make a lot of noise so the predators know to stay away. Peace.